Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy with the Wonder Mill Wonder Mix Company. And I want to ask you a question. Has this ever happened to you? Someone in your family that you know, or one of your children, had just been diagnosed with celiac or wheat intolerance, and you don't know what to do. You know, it happens all the time nowadays. That seems one of the most popular diagnoses, actually, of doctors. And you come home just petrified. How am I going to feed my family? And then you go to the grocery store and you look at the gluten-free. It's expensive. And then if you're a label reader, you read the labels and it's like, what are all those ingredients in there? And then you go and you make it, and it's really not that great. Gluten-free, I want to tell you, is not a big mystery if you do it the right way. And the right way is simply owning a mill and buying the grains and grinding them yourself. Perfect example, I went to the grocery store one day and I bought one of those gluten-free pancake mixes. I don't even know most of the ingredients on there, and I thought, what on earth are they doing? I made gluten-free pancakes for years, and I don't have any of that stuff in it. My whole wheat pancake recipe is all I do is I substitute the flour with gluten-free flour, a combination of 3 or more grains, and the pancakes are perfect every time. The same works with my waffles, my muffins, my cupcakes, my cookies, my brownies, my carrot cake, all those things we love to eat. You don't have to have a recipe with garbage in it, or you don't have to go to the grocery store and buy that expensive stuff. You can do it home for pennies on the dollar, and it's going to taste great, and you're going to feel good about what you're feeding your family. I had an experience a couple years ago where I worked at a gluten-free bakery, and the year I worked there, I gained 25 pounds. Gluten-free, the way the world does it, is not a healthy alternative. But doing it at home, it can be healthy and delicious and inexpensive. Combination of 3 or more grains ground on the finest setting in your mill will give you the perfect gluten-free flour for all of your baking needs. This is Chef Brad from the Wonder Mill Wonder Mix people, always looking for a better way to make your life easier.